Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making chicken and potatoes, roasted chicken. So here we have all the ingredients we are using to make this delicious chicken and roasted potatoes. Here is my pepper and onions. I'm going to blend everything together. And I have my chicken here. I'm washing. After washing it, you have to wash it thoroughly so that you will not have any sand on it. Here is my blended pepper and onions. Here is my chicken. Here is all my ingredients that I'm using to make my delicious chicken roasted. So I will be pouring the onions and everything, the peppers inside, mix everything together with the ingredients. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened here. I didn't know when I turned my phone, so that is why you are seeing it a little. But before you watch the next one, you will see that it will be very wide. Okay, now I mix everything already. I put everything in the rubber. I'm going to cover it a little bit, like 30 minutes, for the ingredients to get into the chicken. I will leave it for 30 minutes. Here I want to put now my fry pan. I'm putting something now. I will be opening after 30 minutes. I open my chicken, and all the ingredients is inside already. So now we will be putting the chicken in the fry pan because it's going to the oven. The pan, the ingredients I use is as you can see, there was curry powder, thyme, rosemary, black pepper, blended pepper, onions, fresh pepper. Those are the ingredients I use, with avocado flavor, the Maggi avocado flavor, and I also use chicken Maggi. Those are the ingredients I use on this chicken. So feel free to use any one of your choice, guys. I know that this chicken will come out very tasty with all the ingredients I use. Keep washing. I'm adding a little bit of the sauce inside the chicken before I will add it in the oven. Now it's going to the oven. So I put it in the oven already. As you can see, my chicken is almost ready. Now we'll peel the potatoes, slice it to the normal size I want. Now I will be frying it. I will add salt inside. I had already salt already. I do it off camera, and now we'll be frying it. Please also do follow us on Facebook page, Beautiful Shine Blog or Beautiful Shine TV. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly join the family. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My return is, I say may God continue to bless you as you are supporting my channel. I really do appreciate you. So this one is almost ready. I'm taking it off. Yeah, here we have our chicken and our food is ready. Thank you guys. See you for my next video. Bye.